Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your first Whatnot Pokemon show. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are about to get started with Whatnot. And if you want to go ahead and sign up as a seller for Whatnot, you can check out the link down below where I have a full tutorial on how to start selling Pokemon cards on Whatnot. So in order to sell or schedule your first show and Whatnot, click on the Seller Hub down below. Then on the top hand corner, click on Schedule a Show. So you're going to go ahead and name your show. So we'll just call it Example. And then you're going to set the time in which your show is going to take place. You can set your show to repeat, and then you could also add a thumbnail. Now, as far as the primary category goes, this relates to what product you're going to be selling. So we're going to select Pokemon cards. And then for the primary selling format, we're going to select singles, and then we're going to add some suggested tags that relate to your show. For the shipping settings, I like to choose USPS first class mail letter for under 3 ounces. For 1 to 5 pounds, I do USPS priority mail. And then for over 5 pounds, I do USPS ground advantage. For shipping costs, I make it so that the buyer pays all shipping costs. And then for the primary language, I set it to English and then click on schedule. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule your first Whatnot Pokemon show. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.